Ta-da! Okay. So, now that the candle's lit and the ambiance is brewing, what's up guys? It's Alessandra. And I've heard from a bird, bars, straight bars, that you like free things. So I've decided as a Govball ambassador, if you don't know what Govball is, I will tell you in literally 2 seconds. Just calm down, relax. Basically, I will be giving away a 3 full weekend pass to Govball Music Festival, Randall's Island. I'm pretty sure it's June 5th through the 7th, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 5 through the 7th. In June of 2020. The total price is normally around like $300, or like it gets sometimes to $350. Ow! Yeah, as the days go by. So basically, be giving that away, and I have a couple of rules. So this giveaway will be going on from today until, I want to say, like the last week of May. Now, in order to be qualified to be entered into this giveaway, you must follow rule number 1, subscribe to me, a no-brainer. Follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. You must comment down below why you think you deserve this weekend pass, because, you know, aren't we all so special? We just all deserve everything that's been given away to us. And then give this video a fat thumbs up, and if you want bonus points, share it to your friends, share it on your story and tag me. You can put it on any story, I don't care. Tell your grandmother, I don't know. But bonus points are just like tags and pictures and things like that, or like comments. Tag me in a meme, I don't care. I like funny things. DM me memes. I love it, man. Send me anything. But yeah, basically the main 3 rules are subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, like this video, and comment down below. And you know the extra points, I just told you that. Basically, I'll put everybody's usernames and how many times they entered the giveaway in like a big randomizer. I'll put every single entry, so this might take like a day to do or 2. And then I'll do the randomizer and it'll pull you out. But also, I think what I'm gonna do is the people who had genuine answers in the comments down below, that will also help me depict my winner. I don't know, I'll decide. It'll either be random or someone who genuinely seems like they deserve it. So moving on. If you don't win the weekend pass and you do want to buy your own tickets, let's say your friends, you don't want your friends to win the giveaway, and you're like, but like I want them to come with me, man. I got you. I'm an ambassador for Govball. Basically what you do is you send me your name, phone number, and email, and I will select what type of ticket you like. As the weeks go on, more and more tickets will be released, such as single days and single day VIP. Right now there's only the 3-day and then the 3-day VIP. VIP must be 21 and over, and in order to get into the festival you have to be 18 years or older, but unless you have to be 16 and older if you come with somebody who is 21 and older. So that also applies to my giveaway. If you are 16, you must prove to me that you have somebody to take you, because you will not be allowed in. So you will basically just have tickets for no reason. And it's all secured and verified by Govball.com. But basically, I've already gotten 6 sales, which is good. I'm #1 currently on the ambassador leaderboard, so it is all verified. I promise you, I have nothing to do with your money situation. You do that all on your own through the website. Once you give me your information, it'll send you a checkout link to the secured website, and then you just put in your information like you were genuinely checking out to begin with. And then at the end, to help you decide if you're either going to buy them from me or just the website itself, if you buy through me, you will be able to automatically get put on a party list for the pre-party for Govball. So it's like another day of Govball with like secret performers and things like that, and free drinks, free food. It's a little party. So yeah, let me know. Check that off and you just check out. And there is a layaway option. So it's $22 down plus a small fee the first time you buy, from now I think until January, and then the money down goes up a little bit. And then basically the first payment after the first time you put money down will be January 8th. And then I will also post the dates right here to let you know when the next payments are. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you're interested in the giveaway, you know the rules. Ends the last week of May, and if you're interested in buying tickets from me, let me know in the comments as well. You can enter the giveaway and let me know that you're interested in buying. Doesn't matter, makes me happy either way. Or you can contact me on any other type of social media. I don't care, it's up to you. I hope you win. I hope you enter this giveaway. Good luck to everybody. Play fair, play nice, I don't know. Like I said, tag me in memes for those extra points. I will count them, I promise you. I just want to laugh. If you want to win, like this video, subscribe, comment down below why you want to win, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye. Oh, bro, I got a 3-day pass. Like, give me $400 right now.